Kumshibanta jong kajing Rakhe ya kajing dap shipo Snem jong ka Bethany Outreach Hospital hagasngi balang jong ka tayo Pynlong da kajing yakop drojing draw haga conference hall jong ka hospital haga baki khanna na ka shipo tlik school na ka thai Nongpoh Repoi district Shimbanta haga ni kajing yakop
Kumshibanta jong kajing Rakhe kajing dap shipo Snem kajing yalenti jong gibot penyait ka Bethany Outreach Hospital haga ban chakri na jing sumar ki Nongpoh Haka kan tarik jeliu arajar arpsau ke hospital ke Pynlong da gajing yakop drojeng draw bela Pynlong haka conference hall jogan ke jaka sumar Nongpoh. Haga ni gajing yakop draw lawan bani shimbenta dagi kena school nang shput ligi school na katha Nongpoh. Haka bagi kena ikla shimbenta haka lower, upper but secondary category but gamat pedang balabu da Bethany Hospital kalong ki jing melian ki babahan nam tak koi kakya bat gajing kata drugs. Habakran nagan negasngi Dr. CM Poshna como nodal officer uletho bagi bor ka Bethany Hospital klanang yai Pynlong yai program beper. Da ka besen okti lang bagi kena school bagi padba ak dorbar shnong jong kathan riboy. Uletho ru basyan ka Bethany Hospital kan Pynlong ru ya ka program maneshim benta lagi doktor bagi na Nongpoh. Baru kermen ru babar ok program kan long beseso. Haswa kasni bekerpang jong ka Rakhe ka jingdap shpo Snem jong kan ka hospital. Ka Bethany Hospital kala sam bagi khusnam shkinong job bagi laitli category deka pisa bat ki momento.
Good morning to everyone. Yes, this program is part of the Bethany Hospital Outreach since we achieved 10 years on this 2024. So as we look back, we've seen that the hospital has been growing from strength to strength. And that it's not just because of us, it's because of the community who has been part of us. So when we were planning, we were thinking of what can we do where we can, the community can celebrate along with us in this 10 years achievement. So this today's event is a drawing and painting competition, which is for the school children. We have 3 categories, right from juniors to seniors. So apart from this event, we have already planned other major events also. Example, we are going to still in the process 10 kilometers marathon, which is going to be open to all. And then there's academic programs also for doctors and nurses.